Mukama yebaziwe. That is to mean God be praised. How are you? This is the Xperia XZ2 that we did a battery replacement demonstration, and it's here for us to secure a new screen onto it. The old screen was heavily shattered because this person kept on giving it to their toddler. I do not know why they didn't just buy them a tab. And now we are here to work on it. And placing the screen simply involves two things. One, cleaning, and then two, bonding the screen onto the frame of the phone. So cleaning means we remove the excess residual adhesive from the previous screen that was removed, and then we scrape off it that way, and we do this all over the frame, its boundaries, and then alright, so my light behaved a little bit, that's because it had heated up. So let's go right around the periphery, removing all excessive gunk of glue. Okay, that's that. Next thing is I'm going to brush it away using the toothbrush. Alright, so just wipe, brush off. Where's my filter going to? So my filter for the dust for the earphone, for the speaker, I'd say to jump off. I'll try to trace it because we need to put it back. If I fail to find it, we'll construct one for it. Now here, be careful not to touch the lens of the front camera, because once it gets smudged it cannot be cleared to perfection. Okay, now that is done. Where's that boy now run to? I think I'm going to have to cut another to substitute. Alright, so I've decided to use this. I was blowing air through to see if it allows air to pass, and it's what I'm going to use. It's a bit blue in color. Oh, it's actually hadn't fallen, it just sunk into this thing, so I have to just lift it up a bit. Alright guys, that was interesting and okay, so it turns out it just sunk in there, but with there's some liquid there that I normally use. This is propyl alcohol, no, smaller bottle. Thank you. So this is our guy, and we measure a lid full and put it there, ready to. Oh, meanwhile, this can sit on that, but the good thing, it looks like you're comfortable. Okay. Do you see TP around there? Okay. I've just gotten an excuse of TP, so let's use it. We have to make do with what we have. I cannot understand. At the time, the subscriber was like, he's not even using a screen holder to hold the screen. But in repair, we make do with what we have. I will not fail to repair the screen because I do not have fancy equipment. What matters is if you understand the precautions that have to be taken. So if you can remove the screen without breaking it, then you're good. The screen holder is a tool that makes that easy, and of course we all hope to get there, and definitely this channel is growing. We'll be there. And if you're new here, please do hit the subscription button, and feel free to leave your comments and advice and anything that will keep us going. So I think I should be proud of the amount of cleaning I've done. Now the next stage is to apply adhesive and bring these two screens together. So these two surfaces together. Kati, the tube, where are you?
Must have been some old.
It was actually Samuel Light book. I think it's first kill. Guys, now we apply adhesive to the lower frame or the frame of the phone, and from there we will also apply around the screen. Now you have to be generous but not excessive with the adhesive, because you want it to form a perfect bond. In other words, the screen should last as long as a new one would with the phone. I have replaced screens, and we can say 5 years down the road they are still working and well anchored onto the phone. Now taking it all over the entire boundary like that, 360 around the peripheries. And this one has relatively bigger surface area for bonding compared to some that we've worked on this channel, and I'm sure you guys might have noticed. Sorry, I was not supposed to put over there because that's I think a speaker grill and we don't want it appearing dirty, so we are going to have to wipe that off to allow that beauty groove stay unoccupied. Let me first return the cover to my solvent before it dries out. Have you seen that?
International. Something we did a primary chunk.
Hey, I thought it was.
Before we had third.
Oh. Alright, now around the peripheries. However, see, I think I need to also put here for support on the underside. Alright, and then I think here to keep this raised. Okay. And then I believe this surface 2 needs, and that surface 2 needs, and I believe that also. Now let's go to the frame of the phone and then apply adhesive all over the peripheries like that. Okay, and then around there. Why would people put weddings on Friday? They don't want us to eat their food.
They are Muslims.
Muslims will put a wedding on a Friday.
Just like
Weekend, Saturday. Unless the church is broke. But Sunday is for us to pray. We don't want to arrive and they tell us.
But we as SDAs, we don't like people who put functions on Saturdays.
Of course, even themselves, they will put on Sunday, not Saturday.
SDAs do
No, and they'll put on Sunday. So it would not be right for guys who pray on Sunday to do it on Sunday. Alright guys, I think this is enough. I'm going to give it some time to form some strength so that when we bring them together, it's not oozing all over every tiny gap that is available. It looks like I'm grabbing flu. I have a tingly nostril. Hi. So we're giving it a moment there. Let me just examine this and see if there's a filter. You really have to turn on the kettle. So we need to transfer that filter for the front earpiece grill. Come on, don't stay on my finger. Okay. Like that, I think it belongs. The second card. Out of curiosity, I'll just look at the similarities or differences between these replacement screens. Surprisingly encouraging. Unfortunately, I need to remove this sticker. This is from the guy who sells them to me, so it's like his form of knowing which screen came from him. But then, now like I've removed it, I think someone could actually transplant. Okay, that's plugged in. Now the plastic has to come over. Unfortunately, it's misplaced, and so I trust that the lock is intact here. But just to be considerate, to put something there, spongy, to press it down. I have struggled hard until I found a piece of plastic here. So now let's bring it down and lock our connector into place. Squeeze it down. Yeah, I think that's it. So now let's bring the two together like that, and then we'll need threads to hold it down. I think I was supposed to also okay, the grill is just dirty. Alright, so let me bring my threads and we tie this together. Wanda video threads. Okay. These threads that are always tangling themselves. Alright, so thread therapy right there. Okay, bring there, we go all the way. Oh, I think I should power it on for you. I had it was on, so let me restart it by pressing volume down and power. So it powers on, showing Sony, and that means the display is showing. Now next we wait for it to come on, and then we test the touch for you. Alright, why did it have to restart again? That's weird. Okay, but nonetheless we proceed with our thread therapy, ensuring that this phone is well held onto the frame. So Xperia waterproofing warning, and the phone is on. So we're going to dry it after the threads. Right now I'm test for you the touch, and we get that done with. And yeah, it's quite sensitive. So see you in the next video, and I'm thankful that you've come this far. Please do subscribe. Alright, more comes your way. Mukama abakuume. May the Lord be with you.